Ladies, wouldn't it be nice if there was a night where you could put your axe throwing skills to the test?
Here you go. Stand right up there and make sure when you throw...
Look, I'm 0.03% Viking. I know what I'm doing, okay?
Okay.
Well, on March 21st, PaulB Hardware is holding their annual Ladies Night event at their Mechanicsburg store.
You may want to step forward a little.
We'll have crafts, demos, door prizes, and a caricature artist. Wait, I could have had my portrait drawn?
It's a caricature, but yes, you can do both actually.
Sweet. Oh, and I'm told all the activities are free. If you want all the information, including what food trucks will be on site, head over to paulbhardware.com. I gotta let my inner Viking express itself more.
Wait, what just happened? Where did that even come from?